Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how do you fix comments history option not showing on TikTok. So firstly, if you open your TikTok and if you go to your profile here, so click on your profile, and click on the three lines here, so here, and go to settings and privacy, and here if you scroll down you will see the option called watch history but not your comments history. So if you have this issue, what basically you can do is that you can firstly go to scroll down, and then you'll have an option under cache and cellular called free up space. So click on free up space, and here try to clear your cache. So click on clear cache, so clear that. All right, and then once you have done that, so you can what you can do, you can now try to go to your Play Store or your Apple Store, and then try to see if you have any updates for your TikTok. See if you have an update. So if you have an update, kindly like update your profile, your TikTok. So once you have updated, then what you can do, you can just come back and see if that fixed. If that doesn't fix, then what you can do, you can once you have updated your TikTok, you can just you can come back and uninstall it and then reinstall it, and then try to re-login again and see if that fix your issue. If not, then the last option we have is we just have to report it. You have to click on report a problem, and then you just have to report your issue to, if you click on report a problem, and then you just have to report your issue to TikTok, and hopefully they will be able to fix it up for you. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.